y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Boxycharm box for August of 2020. Now this box came to me it actually came like this. The flap was open and everything, but I already opened it up to see if like anything was broken, and there wasn't anything broken, but this box has definitely seen better days. But anyways, I'm excited to show you guys what I got in here and give you my thoughts and opinions on the products and if this is actually worth the $25 this month or not, because if you haven't seen my Boxycharm premium unboxing for August of 2020, I will have that linked below. It was literally the best Boxycharm premium box I have ever received since they have ever done Boxycharm premium. It's like such a good box. But anyways, I'm excited to open this up. So if you guys do enjoy unboxings from me, because I am your friendly neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you are already a viewer, if you would hit the red subscribe button, turn it gray, melt my heart, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into the video. Okay, so let's see what we got in here, which I already know because I already saw, but you don't know. Well, that was a really weird thing to do because my voice got really high pitched. Okay, Boxycharm, we have this. I have variation number 2, so that you guys like to know what variation I have. So yeah, this is variation number 2, and we have all of the prices. So first off, my choice item, which I'm actually really excited about, is the Born This Way Super Coverage Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, which is by Too Faced. Here's the packaging. Super cute. The Born This Way foundation is actually my ultimate favorite foundation ever, and I really want to try their new foundation. It's the matte version. Just saying, I just thought I'd plug that real quick. But anyways, we got the Too Faced Born This Way powder in our Boxycharm Premium, and I've been using it since I got it, and it's a really good powder, so I'm like really excited about it. So I'm also excited about this. I got the shade Swan. I'm not sure if it's going to be too light. Yeah. It might be too light, but I do have a Too Faced foundation that's in Swan, and I like to keep my eyes underneath a little bright, so maybe this won't be too light. Oh no, this is gonna be perfect. It's gonna be perfect. It's fine. It's fine, guys. Yeah. I still use my Tarte Shape Tape foundation to this day, but actually it blends into my skin perfectly that you can't even tell that there's concealer there, so it's definitely a match to my hand, so that's good. Okay, next up we have something from Mine Tan Body Skin. I think that's the brand. This is the Hydra Glow Sleep Serum Triple Action Hyaluronic Acid for all skin types. Hydrate plus restore. So I don't know what this means. A sleep serum? Okay, let's read it. Greet the day with glowing skin. Hydra Glow Sleep Serum instantly absorbs with our triple action hyaluronic acid formula, delivering time-release multi-depth hydration for fully hydrated skin that glows. And the directions are to apply this face serum on clean skin before your moisturizer. Use several drops, smooth in gently all over face and throat. So I don't really know what this is used for, but yeah, this is what I got. I don't know, this looks like a product that'll probably wind up on Poshmark, just saying, because anything that I'm not gonna ever use, I'm just gonna throw on Poshmark instead of letting it sit in my drawers and collect dust. Okay, next item is from Clarins, and this is the 01 Velvet Lip Perfector. Here is the packaging, and we have it in Velvet Nude, which sounds fantastic because I've really been into nude lately. So this has plant enriched lip hydration, cares for your skin. Okay. Oh, this is cute little packaging. I wonder what the shade looks like. Oh, and it has one of those furry tips. Let's see. Yeah, furry tips. Love when my camera wants to focus. Okay, let's see. I'm not sure how I'm gonna like a furry. Oh, it just like, okay. I don't even, okay. Oh, wait, this is actually like a really pretty color. And the formula going on my hand feels like cream. Wait, I actually really like this, like a lot. That is like a gorgeous color. I'm actually really freaking excited about that. Okay. I'm really excited about that. Okay, next up is what is this? Real Her I Am Strong Definer Brow Pencil. I actually have been using this brand for a eyeliner underneath my eyes, the waterline, because the eyeliner goes on like that. It's super black and it doesn't run, and I was like, I'm so impressed. That's the eyeliner I've been using on my lower lash line. I even used it in my video that I did and I uploaded today, actually, midnight, so still technically today. It's the Sakura plus Sage Vegan Eyeshadow and Blush Palette that we got in IPSY. It was in the IPSY Ultimate last month, and it's going to be a choice item, I'm sure, in the Plus for September. So if you guys want to see how that eyeshadow palette performs and the look that I came up with, definitely go check out the video, because the eyeshadow palette actually was really, really good. I did wind up selling it on my Poshmark because like I don't need it, but like I did a look on it and it came out so good. Like, it's a really good palette. You guys need to check it out. But here is the pencil. By the way, I'll have it linked below. Hopefully this will be something that'll actually match my eyebrows, and it looks like it might. Oh, it definitely will. I did just get the 2 new palettes from Jeffree Star, the nudes, and I also got a Anastasia Beverly Hills brow pencil, because I pretty much am out of all my eye pencils, but this is actually a really good match for me, so I'm very excited about that. Okay, and then the last item, and then once I show you this, we'll go through the prices and I'll let you know the pricing of everything. So this is the Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette. I actually did a look on the very first Essentials palette, and I also did a giveaway with that palette. So yeah, here's the second palette. Let's just give you guys a look at it. I probably am not going to keep it. It probably will go on my Poshmark. But here we go. It's actually a very beautiful palette. And this purple here and this blue look so freaking cute. Actually, the beige shade looks cute too. But I already have pretty much all of these shades in my collection, so like, why keep it? So this is gonna go up on my Poshmark for sure, which I will have it linked below. And if you guys sign up with my referral, Connor Christine, you actually get $10 to spend on any closet you want. And if you've already like made a closet, you can make another one and get another $10 credit. Why not? Everyone loves a free $10 to spend. Yeah, so let's go over the pricing. So this Too Faced Born This Way concealer has a retail value of $29. The Violet Voss Essentials 2 palette has a value of $36. This Clarins Velvet Lip Perfector, oh yeah, it does feel like velvet, $26. This Mind Tan Body Skin Hydro Glow Sleep Serum, $44.95. And then lastly, the Real Her Definer Brow Pencil, $16. I can't wait to try this because the liner, like I said, is so good. So I am very excited to try this out. It might be just like a smidge too dark, but I'll go in with a light hand. And yeah, I'm pretty freaking excited. So that is everything that I got in my Boxycharm for August. I think overall it's not a bad box. We got a palette in here and we got a complexion item that I know is going to work for me, so that's like a big win. Plus it's Too Faced Born This Way, and hello, very good. What would you say? It's like probably the only good foundation that Too Faced has ever came out with. So the Born This Way collection is actually really good. I even have the Too Faced Born This Way nudes eyeshadow palette, but it's on my Poshmark because I don't need it. I have all those shades. I tried it and you know, I was like, okay, I don't need it. But I think the variety is actually really good. You have one skincare item, one lipstick, a brow pencil, an eyeshadow palette, and a concealer. I think that's really good, especially because I didn't get any skincare in my premium, which I think that's everyone's complaints, is that we're getting so much skincare and not enough makeup. Well, for me, I got all makeup and one tool in my premium, and in here I got all makeup again and one skincare item. And I am happy about it because I'm over the skincare, honestly, unless it's like so good that I just have to have it, because I don't need that much skincare, okay? I have enough to last me for a lifetime. So I'm excited that they're finally putting more makeup in these boxes and less skincare. I don't know how long that'll last, but right now, August was a really good Boxycharm month, so I'm excited. But anyways, that is it for this video. Let me know what you got in your Boxycharm box. Do you think it was definitely worth the $25 this month? Because for me, it definitely was. If you haven't seen my premium unboxing, go check it out. I'll have it linked below, along with all the other unboxings that I have done and some spoilers for this month in my description box. And yeah, let me know your thoughts and opinions down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!